So this project is called Snails and Bales, and the idea is that we're looking at the different stages of making silage and the likelihood of Galban troncatula, the snail that's the intermediate host for liver fluke, being incorporated in the actual bale during that process. We're obviously not on an actual liver fluke site, but what we're using are mimic snails, so they're little tiny capsules that we've tested to see if they would act similar to snails in the process. What we're then doing is now running the actual field trial side of it, and we're seeing what actually happens when you're mowing, raking, baling, and then actually how likely it is that the snail would survive the fermentation process in the bale, or actually change the fermentation around it in that area of the bale. From that, we hopefully will be able to work out whether there is a possible route for the parasite to survive in siling and the actual silage process to actually be effective at the end of the fermentation and effective to animals that then eat that silage.